Why isn't the law of attraction working for you? It's a question that has puzzled many who have tried to tap into this universal law, only to find themselves treading water, seemingly stuck in the same spot. The law of attraction, at its core, is a simple concept, like attracts like. Positive thoughts bring positive outcomes, while negative thoughts bring about negative outcomes, yet many find it doesn't seem to work for them. Why is that? There are common mistakes that people make when trying to use the law of attraction, and understanding these can help to unlock the full potential of this powerful universal law. The first mistake lies in the realm of expectations. Many approach the law of attraction with a sense of entitlement. They believe that merely thinking about something will make it materialize. But the law of attraction is not a genie in a lamp. It requires more than just wishful thinking. It requires belief, faith, and most importantly, action. The second mistake is inconsistency. The law of attraction is not a one-time event. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about consistently maintaining a positive mindset, even when adversity strikes. It's about believing in the outcome, even when it seems far-fetched. The third mistake is lack of clarity. Many people hold a vague idea of what they want, but the law of attraction requires specificity. You can't just want a better job. You need to visualize exactly what that job looks like, what it feels like, what it entails. The fourth mistake is harboring limiting beliefs. You may consciously want something, but if deep down you believe you don't deserve it or it's unattainable, then you're sending mixed signals to the universe. The law of attraction responds to your dominant thoughts and beliefs, not just your conscious desires. The final common mistake is neglecting gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful signal to the universe that you recognize and appreciate the abundance already in your life. This, in turn, attracts more abundance. Understanding and correcting these mistakes can significantly enhance your ability to utilize the law of attraction effectively. It's not about tricking the universe into giving you what you want. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. So acknowledge the power within you. Believe in your worth and your ability to manifest your desires. Be clear about what you want, consistently maintain a positive mindset, and express gratitude for the abundance already in your life. The law of attraction is not a magic trick. It's a tool. And like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the user. So go forth and use it wisely. Believe in its power, believe in your power, and watch as the universe conspires to help you achieve your dreams.